folks, it's me again. In this video you're going to see me working on a, I don't know why it looks hazy in here. Like what the hell's going on in my garage? Maybe there's a London fog or something here. Anyway, I put the legs on the bottom of the tub. I put the square top that I made out of galvanized steel. I don't know why there's things on it. I'm going to grind down the edges a little bit later on and give it a paint right on the box, right on the frame. So I'll probably paint one side, paint the other side, and just slowly paint it. The reason why I'm painting it on the frame is because, I don't know, it seems like it's galvanized. I welded the corners and I don't feel like painting it all and putting it back on. I just want it done. It doesn't have to be pretty, plus no one's going to see the inside, so I'm going to paint the outside and just spray it from the inside, from the underneath. The inner tub has to be done. The outer tub just needs a paint job. And that's pretty much it for the sandblaster. The doors are right back there, right over here. Those are the two doors, they're finished. The hinges are done. And as you'll see me explain at the end of the video. So stay tuned, watch the video, and don't forget to smash the like button. Throw myself in the algorithm, blah, 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 what everybody says, and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. There we go. Take this one. Let's see. Will this thing fit in there? Well, the holes don't exactly line up, but let's see. We're gonna have to make new holes. The bottom ones are okay, the top ones kind of suck. So if we go like this, maybe loosen this. It's got to drill a hole in there, so yeah, there we go. I got to mark it and possibly drill it. Yeah, there needs to be some grinding going on there. There's a little bit of stuff in the way. So yeah, I need to grind this out of here. My shitty welding job. Now I gotta chisel that out somehow. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Fun, 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 fun. Let's go get some tools. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, I bought. I think what I'm gonna do is, instead of grinding this out and getting dust everywhere, I'm gonna cut a slit right in here. This way it just sits right in there. And then I'll just bolt it in. Be a lot easier. So stay tuned. I'm gonna cut this out and see how it works. Well, that finally shut up just in time for me to do more. So anyway, I'm just playing around. I'm taking out some of the burrs from the welding. Not that I'm a bad welder, I just forgot to weld on only one side. So well, anyway, I just took out some burrs. Took out some burrs. I'm trying to get this to slide in there there's a little bit of a burr in there, so if I can get it to fit perfectly, it'd be a lot better. So anyway, let's turn this off. You don't need to see much more. These bolts fit. No, they don't. Of course not. They're too fucking small. So now, I gotta at least gotta put one in there for now. With the bolt. Ow, fuck. I got a splinter. I can see it. Yeah. Nothing like a splinter in your hand. Hold on. Hold on. The bolts are too small. Try and get all the bolt holes to line up now. See if I can get this to. This is the fun part. Temporarily bolting it so I can put the bottom piece on and then work on it after that. Should be interesting. I'll do two sides and then try to do the other one. I'm going to temporarily just put two sides on. I might just, I don't know. That'll work. That'll work fine. Let's get another piece. Why didn't I paint the frame? Because I'm going to paint this frame while it's probably still attached to it. Just because I'm weird like that. Make it like this and tighten this up a little. There we go. I'll give it one big last paint job. Let's see. Let's go like this. It's a little bit sturdier. Also, we'll drill some holes here now. Oops. There we go. Total. I'm going to put a bolt in it for now, just to hold it. All these bolts are temporary. Where's my brush? I had a brush around there somewhere. Oh well. Just use the dangerous thing here. Tweet, tweet. Why do I say dangerous? Because these little curls get in your eye and they become dangerous. Dangerous, dangerous. There's a bolt here. I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing. I don't know. So much crap on my bench. Can't see shit here. What's this? That's another thing in the way. There we go. Drill a hole up there now. Let's go like this. Ouch. There we go. There we go. I need that brush because I don't want any more things in my hand. My brush tool. brush. Blowing that stuff everywhere is not my kind of deal. Get this off of here. Alrighty. Where's the bolts? There we go. There's the bolts. There's the bolts. Nuts and bolts. Just the bottom legs of the thingamabobber. Is this perfect? Probably not. But it is what it is. Now I'm going to see if I can get this off here without dropping it on the floor. Flip it over. There's one. There's two. Oop. See if I can not drop this on my head. Let's see. Maybe we'll do this side first. Let's see. Clamp this thing down. That should hold. Anyway, you've seen one, you've seen them all. So I'm going to stop it here and just continue, and I'll show you what I'm done later. Well, folks, it's me again. As you can see, I made a new band on the top because it was rusted. I threw the, I don't know, siphon thing there in there to see if it fits. I put that on there. It's got a bit of a bend here because one of these legs is kinked out a little, but I don't care. It holds together. The bottom's all screwed together. The, what do you call it? Next, I gotta work on that mess. This is gonna be ground off, and I'm not sure. There's bolts in there, so I'm not sure which bolts go where or how it's going to work, but I might take this one out and might just offset it, put a piece of rubber in here. That's how it works. But anyway, if I step back here, you take a look. It's a lot better than before. The legs are red, all the rust has been taken off. The box is over there and that little red spot there. The doors are behind here waiting. The hinges are right there. And instead of putting that little siphon hose back in there, I'm going to put a drop feed or a suction in the bottom just to make it more interesting. And other than that, that's pretty much it. The top part is going to be all sanded down and rectified. And believe me, it's kind of wrecked. And oh, and I got to grind on the corners here. They're ugly. And paint that bar. I'm painting it in place. I'm not doing anything special to it. So yeah, stay tuned for more lavish, what do you call it, sandblaster rebuilds. And no, it's not a Harbor Freight one. It's what the hell? It's made by King Industrial. It's actually pretty decent. So it was pretty decent until it rusted outside. So anyway, thanks for watching, Toodles, and hope you enjoyed the video.